Hey Coffee Cuppers! It is easy to get your completed website project online. The app offers two methods for publishing. You can either upload directly through the app to the Coffee Cup hosting platform, or you can just export and host on any server of your choice. Let's first review how to upload to the Coffee Cup servers, because it's really simple to do. To set up your Publish profile, you'll go to the settings icon in the top toolbar and choose Publish. Here you'll enter your Coffee Cup email and your password. This is the exact same combo that you use anytime you're logging into the Coffee Cup website. Once you've got that entered, click on Sign Me In, and that will successfully connect you. You'll see a list of all of your available domains. Click on the site that you want to publish and select OK. When your project is completed, just hit that Publish toolbar icon to send your design up to the web. You'll have to choose a save location for your project on your machine. This way you have a backup of your project. But once that's done, the upload will begin automatically. Once the app is done publishing, a link will display on the screen, so you can click and open it right up in your browser to see your live project. The second publishing option is to export your design. This allows you to save all of the project files locally so that they can be used with a third-party web server of your choice. So to do this, you'll go over to the Settings control panel, and under General, you can configure the project name and the export folder structure. You can choose the files to be exported in either a modular or a flat manner. The modular just provides an extensive file tree that compartmentalizes all of the folders, while the flat export provides a more compact file version. Once you have your preferences selected, click on OK to exit the settings window. Then when you're ready, just hit the Export button in the top toolbar. You will be prompted to choose a location on your computer to export the files to. Then the export process will just begin automatically after that. Once everything is done, you'll be able to use any FTP utility to upload your files to the third-party server. Now, if you are looking for a handy FTP tool, our Direct FTP app is a fantastic choice, and I've put the link at the bottom for you below if you'd like to check it out and download a trial version. Easy peasy. Can't wait to see your websites online. Be sure to share them with us in the forums. Have a great day.